What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman & Co. Today, you know what, have a look for yourself. Today we're going to glaze man-sized T-bones in chocolate sauce. How cool is that? Stay tuned. We haven't done this before, this is a trial. We're going to do this today and I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. What do you guys think? Comment below, and for you guys that's still watching, you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Join us in our cooks. Right, without further ado, let's get straight into this. Voila! Here's our beautiful man-sized T-bones. We've got some spices here today that we're going to need for this cook. As always guys, we're going to leave the quantities for you in the description below. Fact of the day, the T-bone is a cut from the short loin and actually has two different steaks attached to the bone. On the long side you've got the strip, and if you cut that strip away from the bone, you get a beautiful Ruby's New York strip. On the other side, the short side, you've got the tenderloin. There's always the debate about the Porterhouse and the Tbone. I'm going to show you how easy it is to see the difference, and somewhere I'll share a link with you with the Porterhouse that we have done before if you want to go and check that out. As you can see here, it's got a fat tenderloin, and on this side here we've got a very thin tenderloin. This would be seen as a Porterhouse and this a Tbone. Normally for competition you would cut away a bit of this fat. Today we're not going to really do that. We might trim it a little bit because you know what, we're here to have fun and enjoy. We're just going to spice our T-bones here with our mix. You want to try pat it in, not rub it too much. Guys, so for this spice mix that we have here, sugar, coffee, barbecue spice and some cocoa. There you go, you can obviously rub the fat part into the spices as well. Alright guys, these are about 1.5 inches thick, so we're going to do 4 to 5 minutes aside, and that should give us a medium rare. Hopefully we can get some nice sear marks. 4 to 5 minutes aside should be perfect. We're trying not to disturb it too much. You could right at the end also put it on its side so you sear the fat a little bit. There's some beautiful aromas flying around here. Best place on earth next to the fire. It's been about 4 minutes. We're looking for internal temperature of about 120, because after this we're gonna still glaze it in some chocolate sauce. I've removed these T-bones at 120 Fahrenheit internal temp. That's well below the medium rare. We're gonna let these bad boys rest while we make the chocolate sauce. Some avocado oil, your favorite red wine, 1.5 cups. We're just gonna guess it like that. Leave a little bit for the cook. We're also gonna add some cream. It's medium heat, it's gonna take us about 10 minutes. Same amount of time the T-bone's gonna take to rest. Add your chocolate. We like to use baking chocolate. Then we got some cocoa powder, chili flakes, sugar, salt and pepper. Just gonna add those together and move it over to a cooler area. So obviously the cream cooking up like this, trying to escape our beautiful pan here. Right guys, we're going to glaze these beautiful T-bones for a minute aside. Nothing more, we just want to infuse the chocolate into these beautiful pieces of meat. Look at the chocolate, look at there. Who would have thought that chocolate sauce could go with T-bone? Well, we're going to find out today. I think it's going to be beautiful. It's time to take this bad boy, plate it. Look at that, beautiful. Guys, that moment that we've all been waiting for. We had these beautiful T-bones on the grill 4 or 5 minutes aside, rest for 10 minutes into the chocolate sauce, 1 minute aside, and now we are here, medium rare, perfectly done to my tasting. It's time to taste these bad boys. Let's dig in. Boys, let's do this. Wow, this is nice. We need to do this more often. For all of you watching, this is amazing. You should do this at home. You know the story. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do this without you. Comment below. We'll see you on the next one.